What if a terrifying video never went viral but quietly gnawed at a town's sleep, unseen and unforgettable? In 1994, a late-night VHS surfaced in a rural archive, showing a blurred figure watching a crowd transform with fear. No online chatter preserved its origin. Instead, consecutive viewings coincided with unexplained power flickers and whispers around local radios. When a town librarian attempted to catalog it, the tape vanished from the shelf only to reappear with fresh, terrorized eyes. The tale endures as a cautionary legend about media that feeds on fear, leaving viewers with headlights forever unsteady.